The US dollar is facing a challenging time ahead, and its future trajectory is a topic of intense debate. The greenback's strength is under threat, and it's not just about economic factors. In a recent Reuters survey, foreign exchange strategists predict a weakening dollar over the coming months. The reasons? Well, it's a complex web of factors, but let's break it down. Firstly, there's the Federal Reserve's rate cuts. The market is anticipating further cuts, which could impact the dollar's value. But here's where it gets controversial. The Fed's independence is being questioned. White House interference and the appointment of a new Fed board nominee, Stephen Miron, are raising eyebrows. Miron's views on lower rates and his proposed governance reforms could give the president more control over the Fed. And this is the part most people miss. The dollar's slide is also influenced by inflationary concerns. Tariffs, tax cuts, and spending laws are all factors. The dollar's multi-year run of strength has reversed, and a weaker trend is expected to continue in the short term. Nearly 80% of survey respondents believe net short bets will either increase or remain steady by the end of September. Only a small fraction think short bets will decrease. Jane Foley, head of FX strategy at Rabobank, warns that this one-way positioning could be a cause for concern. If we get a lot of inflationary news from the US, there certainly would be room for pullbacks in favor of the dollar, she said. The euro is predicted to climb steadily against the dollar, reaching $1.18 and $1.19 in 3 and 6 months, respectively. This is the highest survey median since September 2021. So, what does this all mean for the dollar? Paul Mackel, head of FX research at HSBC, sums it up. The dollar will face some pressure to soften into the end of the year. It's a function of the Fed's rate-cutting cycle and the market's doubts over its independence. The dollar's future is a hot topic, and with so many factors at play, it's a fascinating discussion. What are your thoughts? Do you agree with the strategists' predictions? Or do you think the dollar will surprise us all? Feel free to share your insights and opinions in the comments below.